Hi, I'm Brandon Weiss, co-founder and chief innovation officer for Dvele, and here in beautiful Lake City, Colorado, on the banks of the Lake Fork River here at the first Transcend Community home site. So this is our prototype / showcase home site, and we're just getting setting on the foundation wall structure here. So it's a really exciting project and a really exciting partnership between Green Builder Media and Dvele, where we're creating these what we're calling Transcend Communities. These are communities to really scale the type of building that we've been working on in kind of R&D development and just figuring things out before we're ready to mass scale and mass produce it. We're at that point now and have partnered with Green Builder Media on this Transcend Community idea. So what we're going to do there, instead of building homes in a kind of single infill lots for direct-to-consumer model, which we'll still fulfill orders on, this is a way to do more homes and have a larger environmental impact and a larger impact on the housing crisis going on. And so Transcend Communities is looking for developer partners throughout the United States, starting in our geographic markets that we can fulfill through our factory. And as we start building, we just announced our second factory up in Butte, Montana. And so looking at geographic areas that are going to represent where we are currently and where we're going to be going over the next several years to open up these and really build 20, 30, 50, 100 unit or more communities where we can group these homes together, have much greater value when you can group these homes together in terms of the energy side of the equation and microgrid communities. And then just really, like I said before, we're solving the climate crisis, we're solving the housing crisis, and we're doing it together. And we're in a beautiful spot. Couldn't pick a more scenic or perfect or picturesque spot for this project. So we're excited to see this come, see the modules arrive and take it vertical to the next level and open it up to all the showcases we'll do here.